Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Log and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to create rainbow text in Instagram stories. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Your home page appears. At the top left corner, you can see that your story option. Tap on it. Now from here, you can easily select the picture or video that you want to add in your story, or also you can click it. Here I'm gonna select this one picture. After you select it, at the top you can see that text icon. Tap on it. Now how to add rainbow text in your Instagram story. Firstly, type in the text that you want to add. After you are done, at the top you can see that colorful icon. Tap on it. Now from here you can select any of the color. Just long press on any of the color. Select the text. Now you have to just move up and down in the color part. Likewise, you have to just slowly swipe to the left in the text part, and here you go. This is very easy and simple process. You can see that. This is how you create rainbow text in Instagram story. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.